Hey guys, I have a bit of a cold if you can't hear, but it's February, so I thought I would do February's health update, which is going to be a doozy. First of all, I got this beautiful new shirt. Don't you love it? It's beautiful. For Valentine's Day from my husband. I have to wear it tomorrow. I'm just staring at it right here and I'm really excited. New year, I made a list of YouTube videos I wanted to make, and I was pretty consistent in making one a week for the first 3 weeks of January. And then we got the flu the last week of January. We were horribly sick. Nothing got done. My house was a complete mess. Everything was a disaster. So the second week, we were slowly getting better, cleaning and processing everything. By the third week, we were back on our feet. That's for the first two. We were sick the last week of January. The first week of February was the second week. And then the second week of February was the third week where we were recovering from the sickness. So here we are in the middle of February, and we're sick again, but we just have a mild cold. There is so much sickness going around, it is crazy. And I just can't wait for the sun to come out and for us to go. I'm just going to lay in the sun and be like, vitamin D, heal me. But my mood is doing better. We've been so sick and things have just been so crazy. I haven't had much time to even work on my chronic illness. But I have a new goal. I'm kind of sick of the keto diet. I would like to be able to eat real food. Like, okay, keto food is real food, but like, I want to be able to go somewhere and eat. So that is a new goal. I'm going to do an aggressive candida cleanse with the Candy Clear product over summer break. That's going to be my plan. So I won't be homeschooling, and I can just work on my own health, hopefully, and take the kids to lots of swimming. That's what they want to do this summer. They want to swim a lot. We had also planned to maybe have another baby and have a pregnancy this year. Because of how sick I've been, I've put that plan to the side for now. So we are actively preventing having a baby right now. And it's kind of sad because babies are so cute and cuddly and pregnancy sucks. But babies are so wonderful, and Esther's been such a blessing to our family, and of course Ruben and Becky too. But at least I know with the way my body is now, it would be a disaster to get pregnant. I mean, if it's God's will, it's going to happen. I'm married, but I need to protect the family that I have and the health that I have, and I know my own limits. So right now, we're waiting. I'm still on all the supplements I was taking before, except for I have stopped taking the probiotics. I stopped when we got the flu, and I haven't started again. I need to start up again. My nose is all stuffed. My house is still halfway messy, but that's okay. I have 3 children, right? And we're actively homeschooling and cooking and cleaning in this house. And one thing I am trying to do is really reduce our media. So we try not to do any media through the spring and summer, but we slowly kind of wean off. So I put our big TV away that used to be in our living room. And then in March, I'm going to put away our little computer. I'm the one who mostly uses that downstairs while the baby is napping, because we contact nap all the time. Like, that's what we do. When she naps in the day, I just hold her and she sleeps on me for about 2 hours. And I'll read books and do other things, but usually I will watch YouTube videos. Lately I've been watching Candace Owens. But it's become kind of a crutch for me, and I don't need that much YouTube. My other favorite... My other favorite person to watch is Unrested. He makes videos about Japan. I really like him. And I love this guy named Desert Drifter. But unfortunately, he was in a car wreck. I don't know if you guys know about this. And his wife is making updates about it. But he was in a catastrophic car wreck, and we're still waiting to hear if he's going to be okay. He's not a personal friend of mine. I don't know him in real life. But I was sad to hear about that. I'm sick. I have a stuffy nose. I've been sleeping terribly because Esther has also been sick for so long that she wakes up all the time. So I'm getting no sleep, and I'm trying to do all the things that I normally do. I'm just trying to have grace and mercy on myself as we get through this sick season. And yeah, that's February. We've been sick. constantly. It's been horrible. But February will end and March will come, and maybe something different or better is on the horizon. Bye.